Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to speed up external hard drive transfer in Windows 11. So first thing that you will do is open up your file manager or file explorer. Now here, just simply scroll down and go to this PC. Now from here, just simply select your external hard drive. And what you could try to do, guys, is just simply format the drive and you should be able to speed it up. Now, if you don't want to do that, what you could try to do is just simply go to the properties. And now here on the properties, you could just simply go for the hardware. Now just simply select your hard drive over here and go for properties. Now, from here, guys, go to the general, go for the change settings, and now this window will pop up and just simply go ahead and go for the driver over here and just make sure to select update driver. So guys, a simple update will mostly fix the issue, and you could just simply search automatically for drivers, and when there is an update you should be able to update it over here. Now another one is go to the policies and make sure to enable write caching on the device. And guys, sometimes there will be an option over here, better performance. So make sure to toggle it on. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.